All right, let's look at this. This is our replacement Mac motherboard. So my big thing is I want to take a look and I want to figure out like exactly what is failed on the one in here that's causing it to not work. Sure hope this thing works. Only problem with ordering stuff off of the interwebs, you never can be too sure.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
Alright, so let's get this guy open again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. First off, yeah, this looks about right. Unplug our battery. Just gonna have to go down the line and get everything unplugged. Oh, thank you. So screen, speaker, battery. This is the backlight for the keyboard. This is the keyboard itself. Let's check underneath this SSD out of here. We have this daughter board. Nothing underneath that. We have a that's the connector. We have this, which is, I believe, the touchpad. Okay, we should be able to work on actually getting this out now. We will take the fan out and the fan shroud out. Of course, has a little lever that needs to be lifted, and it's out. So now, let's get this motherboard out gently. 1, 2. Oh, we almost forgot about our Wi-Fi. 3. 4, 5, right in the center. We have a 6. I believe that is all of them. Just make sure things are put away. Oh, that's right, there's a tiny screw down here that needs to come out. Almost forgot about that. Is that? Put that with that one. Just wiggle it out. Come on. Well, there you go. Alright, and then back in we go. Actually, let's see what we have different here. This is the quote-unquote new one. We're going to see what's different here. Alright. So this doesn't explain why this thing wouldn't charge then. Because this looks like it's the same Because the charge circuit is all the same, unless the problem is on there. And that'd be aggravating. Great. We'll find out real quick. I'm like 90% sure the charge circuit is on this right here. These motherboards are slightly different, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that like this is the charge circuit. No, this is the CPU V-core. Because this is the this is the direct charging port. This power in. Battery. I'm getting backwards here. Aggravating if it's not the motherboard and it's something on the battery that's the problem. Oh well. Knowing is secondary for me at this point. This is where we hope there isn't some sort of verification tied to this board. It's going to be a problem. It's not the battery not charging wouldn't be caused by the SSD. So that was the problem. Like it just would not. Not only would it not run off of the battery, it would not charge the battery. Other problem is it could be the actual battery. But the thing is, it's actually running off of the battery, which it wasn't doing before. So let's see if it'll now run off of the battery. Yeah, I remember we looked at it. But like, see, right now it's not. Oh, there it goes. See, now it's running off a battery. So it had to be something with the charge circuit. I just need to see the battery. So right now it's at 60%. I just need to see this go below 60%. Because if it drops below 60% and then instantly dies... Oh, 59. Okay. And then we get power. The problem was... Where is that on here? The 4608. It's RK10. So it's not that one. I have the board view schematic, so maybe I'll look later. But we got this here as a spare for parts. Thought it was over here somewhere. Because we were able to pretty easily identify it when we were working on this last week. I think I just found the problem that I completely and utterly missed. Man, I really got to start taking more time when I'm looking at these boards the first time. Because, like, sometimes there's just, like, painful, like, obvious things that are a problem. That if I just, notice them, become, like, super obvious. Like the short that runs from here to there. Like, I'm pretty sure I just found what our actual issue is. And if I had flipped, like, I don't think I ever flipped this board once. But yeah, so I would have needed to replace the motherboard regardless, because this is a corrosion. Short, there's a dead component right there. It's split in half. You can see there was it's shorted from here to there. You can see all the corrosion around this. Yeah, if I had just flipped this frickin' board, it's unbelievable. I was so, like, set in what I was looking at, though, that I did not do that. So, I mean, you can see all of the individual places that this thing actually shorted. So, it shorted from here to there. That's why we had a green trace there. This shorted from this leg to here. So this leg might be completely gone, which it is, yep. And then this shorted from here to there. It's just great. So yeah, this was gonna require a new motherboard no matter how we slice this. Because if this shorted something else, we might, like, somewhere else on the board, we probably would have never known. Yeah, just so crusty over here. So it was liquid intrusion from the bottom of the laptop. Which I don't know how you would have accomplished that, but fun times. Hindsight. That would be the keyboard side. You're correct. Yeah. So I have a schematic for this. I guess I'll have to like mark it with something and then like pursue this later. Doesn't make me any less frustrated that I didn't see that. Just want to be clear about that. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.